Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another very interesting unboxing, short little unboxing to share with you guys. This was package sent Scott by was about to be the sentence that came out of my mouth. This package was sent by Scott, my buddy Scott, who always sends super duper interesting things. You guys probably saw an unboxing here very recently where I unboxed, it was something from him. He sent stuff in 2 different boxes, so I assume whatever's in this one he wanted me to unbox separately. So that's what we're going to do today. Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay, let's get into this box. Very exciting stuff. He kind of chose what to send me this time, and I was like, I trust you based on what you've sent in the past. Probably gonna like it. Okay, packing materials. He's got, of course, information. Always fantastic. You guys who send me knives, big notes, long notes. Oh, yes. Okay. Yes. So this is a custom. Follow him on Instagram at Sierra_bound. It's worth it. Checking out his collection. His collection is incredible. He easily has one of the greatest collections that I have ever seen. What is this? Okay. Interesting. Must be, I'm guessing it's got a custom lanyard or bead of some sort that is, yeah. So there you go. Oh, that's beautiful. Is that Timascus? Okay. I'm obviously not a lanyard person, but it's nice. You know, the bead is absolutely very nice. Okay, what do we have here? This is a Peter Carey custom Cayman. Peter Carey custom Cayman. So yeah, oh my gosh. Oh. The aura of this was blinding. Wow. Look at that. Ooh, man, the liners are like orange peel textured. Entire thing is Timascus except for the clip. Oh yeah, the action's very good. Wow, look at that blade. Wow. Oh man, that's cool. Nice recurve and then heavy, very thick-tipped Tanto up there. Look at that swedge. Obviously, hand-rubbed satin finish blade. Love liner locks. Love them. Oh my gosh, the action. Hang on. Hang on. Yeah. Oh, the action's very nice. Oh boy, yeah. This is beautiful. I'm not going to tell you guys that it's inexpensive. I don't think you need to be a knife professional to. I mean, here's the thing. Common comments, right? Comments I get every time I unbox an expensive knife that looks like this. I can't believe knives cost that much. I would never pay that much. Who would ever pay that much, right? Yeah. Okay. Also, that's too colorful for me. That's too busy for me. I don't know that I'd buy something that I would, you know, that could just get lost. I don't know if I want to, you know, have that much, you know, wrapped up in my pocket. Why would you want to carry something and use something that's too beautiful, right? What if you put a scratch on it, right? Those are the types of comments that I will inevitably, even now that I have said them, right? A lot of you have already left that comment and then like you paused the video to type that up and then you came back, watched it, got to this point and were like, oh, right? Yeah, those comments are going to be down there, right? I'm going to keep unboxing stuff like this. Stuff like this exists and will continue to exist because there is a very potent market for it, right? These are not made in mass quantity. They are obviously items that are made one at a time and by hand. And there are absolutely people who are, you know, willing to pay a lot of money for them. How much? I don't know. Oh my gosh. Wait a second. Please feel free to use, I'll send you, Okay. Yeah, this is an expensive knife. But anyways, when I talk about custom knives, sorry, I had to read there a little bit. When I talk about custom knives on this channel, I don't really review them. I just like to kind of showcase them. Look at that pivot. Oh, man. That's really beautiful work. Really, really beautiful. Obviously, the camera having a hard time. The light on this, right? Polished and contoured. Look at those. Look at those liners. Oh, my gosh, that's beautiful. Yeah. You know, custom knives are obviously not something that is, you know, that are easily obtainable. Knives like this are, you know, not readily available, extremely expensive, and you have they you know cater. They, obviously, not all custom knives are Timascus, right? But a lot of times they are. The aesthetic will appeal to few, right? But that is, I mean, that makes sense. Considering they're not making a ton of them. They're not trying to make a mass appeal item, you know, by making a sort of generic design and then making a ton of them and trying to market it towards an entire, like, sub niche, right? No, it is a very specific look that will only attract certain people, right? It's not a right or wrong thing. It just is what it is, right? So while I can understand, right, the reason I'm poking fun at people who are going to inevitably leave those comments is because I know they're coming, right? But it's almost as if people forget or don't even realize it wasn't built for you, bro. Sometimes that's the case, right? Custom knives come in a wide variety of different aesthetics, price ranges, things like that, right? Some people, you know, to some people, $50 is too expensive for a knife. And for other people, you know, they won't spend less than $1,000 on a knife. It just is what it is, right? Nobody's right or wrong. It just is. It's going to continue to be whether people complain about it or not, right? But it is very interesting. If you're wondering my opinion, I like Timascus. I like how it looks. In fact, you know, when it comes to a custom knife, I've said many times, despite being somebody who likes a more basic monochromatic look, more simple, clean, right? If I'm going to fork over a lot of money for a custom knife, I kind of want it to be crazy, right? It's like if I had $500,000, right? And someone said, you know, you can have this money, but only if you spend it on a car, right? That's all you can do with it, just a car. Am I going to buy a, you know, something like a Rolls Royce, or am I going to buy a Lamborghini, a candy-colored Lamborghini? I'm going to go with the candy-colored Lamborghini, right? My truck is very simple looking, right? Dark gray. It's a Ram. But if I had money to buy an exotic sports car, would I want to do that same kind of straightforward, simple aesthetic? Some people might. Nope. Give me a lime green Lamborghini, right? If I'm going to do something crazy. The same thing goes with knives. That's what I would want, right? Beautiful. Very easy to engage and disengage. The action is perfect. The detent is perfect. Flipper tab is nice. Up there, right? Very, very nice. Oh, yeah. Okay. That was beautiful and very unexpected. Scott, thanks again, man. I really appreciate it. We will absolutely be returning to this knife. Once I've learned about it, we will return to it and do sort of an overview and presentation of it. But that's going to be pretty much it today, guys. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.